We'll guide you through how to review your projects on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard which shows all your projects. Click on the project you want to review. This will take you to the project overview page, where you can see various details about your project like recent deployments, domains, and analytics. To dive deeper, look at the top menu and click on the Deployments tab. Here, you can see a list of all the recent deployments for your project, along with their status. If you want to check the logs for a specific deployment, just click on it, and you can see detailed logs that can help you troubleshoot if needed. Next, head over to the Analytics tab to get insights into your project's performance. Vercel provides detailed analytics, showing you metrics like requests, bandwidth, and unique visitors. This can be incredibly helpful to understand how your project is performing and where you might need to make improvements. If you need to change any settings, click on the Settings tab in the top menu. Here you can configure domains, environment variables, and other project settings to tailor your project to your needs. Lastly, if you want to share feedback or review Vercel itself, scroll down to the bottom of any page and look for the Feedback option. Click on it, and you can submit your thoughts directly to the Vercel team. This is a great way to share your experience and suggest improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.